Hello, hello, hello! And we're starting a new thing called Free to Play Friday. So I'm going to be checking out this new game, Zap Zap Zombie Cats. And yeah, we'll be doing that on Fridays. Trying out something new, you know, see if we like it, see if we don't like it. And it's a free to play on Steam, so anyone can get it. Let's hop into it.
Hey, I'm working. What's up?
Hey, you and Puck want to come over tonight? Or maybe visit me at work?
Sure. I may get out early today since I haven't had any customers.
Yeah, me either. There has to be some sort of epidemic.
Yeah, it's weird. I heard on the news that there's...
Uh-oh. Gotta go, Mitz. Say hi to Puck for me. Hey, boss. Just in time. Check out my new, display.
Porter, I told you to start sweeping, not build this monstrosity.
Well, I did start sweeping, but then I got bored. Besides, why clean when this place is dead? No one's in here.
Maybe if you cleaned up and stopped fooling around, we would have more customers.
Looks like you don't have to worry, boss. We got a huge crowd of customers incoming.
Those don't seem like customers.
Uh-oh. This is supposed to be zombie cats, right? So.
Yo!
Oh
what
my
are
goodness.
those things? And why are they heading towards the store? Ah, crap!
Can I shoot?
Porter, what did I tell you about bringing those hooligans to the store?
Hey, Gramps, don't yell at me. I didn't invite them here.
Ah, forget it. I'll fire you later for it. Right now, you need to get rid of those things and protect my store.
Mouse sensitivity
Don't
is
just
super
sit
high.
around, grab my gun from under the counter and do something.
Whoa, this is quite the gun. There's no way this was yours. It's too cool.
You're probably ready to use their special abilities. Not that you have many. See that grenade? Throw that at them.
Right click to throw a grenade.
Whoops, I pulled the pin. Now we're talking.
Works alright.
Good. But you can't go throwing grenades around all willy-nilly. You're gonna have to wait a while until you find another one.
Oh no. No. Okay, sweet. Move the camera by dragging with the right mouse or WASD. Q and E to rotate the camera or mouse wheel to zoom in. Left click to move the ground. This is weird.
Those are weapon blueprints I saved from the war. Use those to build some turrets.
Left click. Also, I'm moving around. Okay. Normal turret is 8.
What? I still have to pay for this crap? What happened to my employee discount?
Ah, look at that baby go. Brings back so many
So,
memories.
this is like some kind of defense game, you know? How do I move that thing?
Look, goddamn zombies done tore my fence down.
How do I move it?
Hey, I built that fence.
Can I not move it? Okay, build another one. Okay, I guess we can't really move them. Okay, we're out of money. In the day.
Now that my fence is down, you'll have to move around and look at both ways.
You gotta look in both directions. Oh, there they are. Get the kitties. Is that it? There's more kitties. Well, easy peasy.
Porter,
The mouse is
I told you
super
if you
sensitive
brought
though.
them hooligans back, I'd fire you.
Hey, we are not hooligans.
Are we hooligans?
Click on your friends and press 1, 2, 3 to switch to them. What does switching to them do? I don't know what that does. Does that do anything? Can we build something right here? Let's build another turret, right? Normal one? Why not? Can you build stuff right here? Yeah, build a normal turret. So now we got one on each side. Can we upgrade? 10 to upgrade? Alright, let's do it.
Good job, Porter. Never thought I'd say that. Anyway, here comes more of them.
Oh goodness.
They help, but gotta catch these early birds.
I got a better gun?
Good luck.
I got a better gun.
Thanks, old man.
Mitts, press 1 to heal turrets. It's because I'm a different person. I'm Puck. Okay, so Porter has this little dink gun. Said what? Mitts can heal? Okay, Mitts heals. Porter has that gun. The other guy has a shotgun. That's kind of weird.
Wow, you guys gave those hooligans the what for? Now go finish the job out back. I heard a big commotion out there.
Do we get to keep these schematics?
Sure, you can keep any that you find.
Do I get paid overtime for this?
Oh no, they, damaged the intercom system.
Hey!
It's kind of cheesy,
Come
but
on, Porter.
whatever. It's kind of neat. That's not bad. For free, you can't beat it, I guess. And there's a little storyline, looks like.
If your boss is right, we better get ready to fight more of these things.
Puck is right. We have to put something between us and those freaks.
Well, there isn't a shortage of junk and garbage. I could use that to make us another tower.
Zap Zap Zombie Cats. Okay. What are we doing? Where's our tower at? What are we defending? Are we defending the grate? I'm just gonna build one of those. I don't know. Let's build another one. I don't know where we're defending from. We'll build some random towers. Why does he stop doing that? Stop running like that. I don't know where I'm supposed to be building stuff at. I don't know. We'll just build random crap. Okay. So I'm on top of the trash can. I guess they can't come from behind me? Don't need to be her, that's for sure. Well, they probably wasted sending all those things over that direction. Wave 1 complete. That's an easy game so far, so hopefully we can level up real quick and get into the craziness of it. Okay, so we don't have enough really over this direction. Build a machine gun, why not, right? Upgrade it. I don't have 30. Let's upgrade that one. Great. Oh, that one I can't. What did I put there? A sniper? I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever. We'll keep a little bit of money. So I guess nothing comes from behind me. Stuff comes from out here. That shotgun's probably way better. Boom. Boom. Oh goodness. Why would I use freaking Porter's gun? Does it shoot faster or something? Because I could shoot a little bit faster. Round 2 over. This is an easy game. It's a little bit too easy. But maybe it'll go nuts. Or maybe I'll take that back in a second. Level 2 machine gun. Can we upgrade that sniper? Yeah. There we go. It's in the day. Hop into it again. Wave 3. Here we go. Ooh, they're coming from that side. It's kind of hard to control the mouse. It's a little bit sensitive. Gucci gang. Oh goodness. Where's that shotgun at? Look at that shotgun. OP. I don't see any. I haven't even needed to use a grenade. That should be near the round, right? That's not good. It's the end of the round. Don't be a glitch game. I don't know about you guys, but to me, that bar on wave 3 is all the way to the max. And we're not going anywhere. Where is it? Why aren't we going? End the round. Whew. I don't know how I got it to go, but I'm glad I got it to go. Goodness gracious. Whatever. It's close. Let's upgrade it. Alright, now let's... Oh yeah. Level 3 machine gun. That's probably gonna mow some stuff down. Let's do it. Alright. Got the shotgun out again. Hopefully nothing ever tries to jump out behind us or we're done. Oh yeah. There we go. Should we nade it? Why not nade
Now
it?
you've done it.
Oh wait. Can I not throw the nade? Maybe he doesn't have it. Oh, there's a little guy. That must have been what happened last time. Must have been one little guy stuck behind a trash can or something. I don't know.
How many of these things are we supposed to fight? This is a lot of work.
This would be so much easier if we had a flamethrower.
You know, I've been working on a flamethrower. It's back in my apartment.
You're working on what? Where? Let's go get it.
Oh boy. A little bit corny. I like it though.
Puck, where'd you get the time to do all this? I thought you fixed cars all day.
I use my 3 sick days very wisely. I haven't tested it yet. Hope it works.
That's not something I want to hear when talking about something that shoots flames.
Come on guys, that's not something I want to hear when it shoots flames. Okay. I'm assuming we're defending the couch. Right? Couch is the defense. So. That guy's having a hard time walking around. Okay. Flamethrower? Why not? Why does that say... Spews out jets that deal continuous damage. They want us to build flamethrowers or build flamethrowers? There's both flamethrowers? I think so. I can't build anymore. Alright, just normal turret. Alright, let's do it. Oh goodness. That's kind of close. It's kind of close for comfort. You upgrade it? Hey, you, can you upgrade that? Okay. What is that? Oh, repair. Does upgrading it cheat the repair? No, it does not. Well, the chick, I can just shoot her heal at the gun, I think. So I'm not gonna waste the repair on it. Come on, somebody's gotta upgrade this thing. How do you not upgrade it? There we go. 45 to upgrade. $45 to upgrade. Okay. Let's put a normal turret back here. And we'll upgrade it. And that's all we can afford. Oh wait, so there she is. She can heal that. Oh, he shooted it.
Repair bot, I choose you!
Why can't I shoot them?
Go long.
I couldn't shoot him. I freaking grenaded him. I couldn't shoot him. See that? Might have thrown a turret further out there. Okay. Did not mean to do that. For some reason that thing was not shooting this guy. I don't know why. Not enough range. Not enough range. Can you build normal? Yeah, build a normal turret. There we go. And upgrade it. We'll hold on to the money for next round. Oh, that was easy, bro. That was very easy. Okay. This game is a little bit on the easy side. We could probably upgrade that, right? If we could figure out how to click it. Click! Okay, somebody else come over here. You're stuck? Come over here. There we go. Alright. Am I good? Everything's good? Yeah. These turrets are just handling the business. There's no need for me.
Wonder where these guys are coming from.
Or where they're going.
Yeah, looks like a bunch of them are heading towards the shopping center.
Wait, the shopping center? The one where my store is? Those zombie freaks better not lay one paw on my store or I'm gonna...
We're gonna start the zombie kitties.
Oh, thank goodness they didn't destroy anything.
Yeah, they saw how much you charge for computer parts and decided to shop somewhere else.
Oh, ha ha. You sure your jokes aren't what's warding them off?
Guys, save it for the zombies. Please.
Yeah, come on guys. Relax. Save it for the zombies. Okay, so I'm assuming we are defending the fountain. We have 100 this time. Machine guns cost 5. Whatever. Cannons would be kind of interesting, honestly, but probably end up getting us killed. Machine gun. Machine gun. Machine gun. Run back here. Build another machine gun. We'll have that machine gun be awesome, and we will wait for the next time to do their other ones. Ooh, there they are. Can we switch to this guy? Launch a
I
grenade.
already counted to 3.
Aw, missed.
Go long.
Are we missing anything anywhere else? No, they're all coming from that way. A little bit on the easy side. Okay, so we got that one level 2. Level 2. Let's end the day. We'll just level these machine guns up. Launch it hard.
Go long.
Hold. I got a little bit with that. Oh, I'm not ready yet.
I already counted to 3.
Get the shotgun out. Good. Let's get it slightly harder. Not really though. Level 2. Level 2. What does it take to get to level 3? 60. It's in the day. Let's launch one of the grenades really far.
Go long.
Look at that. The heck is that?
Catch.
I think that's a pregnant kitty. Yeah, it is a pregnant kitty. When you blow her up. Uh-oh. Gotta get the pregnant kitties.
I'm feeling unstoppable.
Oh no. Oh, that's what that does. So his power up is like he gets to shoot this really fast. The other guy was grenade. That guy gets to shoot like rapid shotguns with the right click on the mouse. Okay, so let's make it level 3. Let's make that one level 3. And let's make that one level 3. Okay. Hail Mary grenade again.
Alley-oop.
Good stuff. Come on, hit it.
Hey, catch.
Oh my goodness, it's a mega kitty. It's a mega kitty.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
Kill the mega kitty. Are they gonna shoot that? Yeah, the machine gun's got it. I gotta keep shooting the mega kitty.
Go long.
Get out of here, mega kitty. Oh, there's a mega kitty on that side too.
Whoops.
The slowest moving mega kitties. Oh no, it's close. Good job, machine gun.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
I don't know if I even hit him. I think that cat is stuck on a telephone pole. Or, I mean a light pole.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
Oh no. So they introduced something new. They introduced bosses. So that's good.
Holy moly, those guys were huge. Puck, they hit the gym more than you do.
Those zombies are doing more than just working out. Glad we took them down.
Good riddance. Friggin' freaks ruined my store.
Don't be sad, Mitz. I'll fix her up in no time. Just gotta go back to the hardware store.
Where my
talk to
face
boss,
is,
and
No.
they're showing
Porter,
different
we
kitty
can't.
characters.
The city is overrun.
This is
no
Puck
one is
talking
here,
right now.
and wherever the zombies came from, there's probably more.
I
And
guess
this
you're
is
right.
Porter.
But what are we gonna do now?
Well, we can get out of here.
They're the characters I get to play. I
Style.
get like 3 characters. And then there's the boss that I don't play.
Your old bike? I
That's
thought
Miss.
you sold it.
Just like old times. All right, let's roll out.
Oh, bother.
Whoa. What happened here?
Mass exodus. They couldn't get away fast enough and even ditched their cars.
I could probably tell why.
What is this game like? What is that game? Well, it's not Walking Dead. Maybe it is Walking Dead. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna be defending the car. Let's do the machine guns again. I like them. Okay, you gotta get closer. Alright. I don't want to play her.
Hey, catch! Alley-oop.
Ooh, it is getting harder. Get out of here, you stinking kitties. Our freaking turrets are handling everything though.
Hey, catch!
And so am I. Okay. Upgrade. Upgrade. There we go. Back into it.
Hey, catch!
Oh no. Shotgun madness. Still very easy. Let's upgrade that last one. Where am I? Where are you off to? There he is. Oh, he's right next to it. Upgrade that. I'll be alright. Highly doubt these zombies are gonna get in here.
I already counted to 3.
Yeah, shotgun's really strong. If I get too worried, I'll just use shotguns. Yeah, shotgun's OP. Shotgun is OP. Okay. Level 3 and level 3. Alright. Yeah, shotgun's OP. Too easy. We need some bosses.
Well, so much for waiting this whole thing out.
Why do we have to deal with this? Who made all these freaking zombies?
Attention evacuees. This is Dr. Katsunate. Please relocate to the old lobby.
It's always the Germans messing stuff up.
Dr. K?
Hey! He's gotta be up to something. Dr. K doesn't have the heart to help anybody.
I thought we got him arrested. Why isn't he in a cell?
If he tries anything again, I'll be sure to put him back in one.
Guys, we should probably rest. Long walk ahead of us. Let's get a shelter ready.
Okay. It's the machine guns again. I'm a fan of the machine guns. Might need to do 4. Well, that's the side I don't have any on. It's on the back side where the corn's at. We'll build one there. Okay, so you run here. Build me one there. And upgrade it. And let's roll again. Nice corn, nice little woods, tractor, some hay bales. Oh, they're coming from the corn. The children of the corn. Do I not have range? Guess it is a shotgun. Easy. Take it easy. Oh, sorry. Level that up. Hop in the next one. This is freaking ridiculously easy though. I don't know, maybe some people find it hard. I'm finding it ridiculously easy.
You?
Why are they just sitting there? Why do they got so much health? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Heal it. Heal it. Heal it. Oh no. Why aren't they dying?
I already counted to 3.
Why aren't they dying? Why are they immune? Oh! The rat was making them immune. I didn't understand that. I think that changes a lot of stuff. That was weird. I lost a lot of health. Look at my base health. What? I seriously lose all those? Okay. Alright. Gotta pay more attention this time. If you see a rat, kill the rat, because apparently rats keep them alive. Okay, there's a rat somewhere. Where is it? Is there not a rat somewhere?
Alley-oop.
Where's the rat at? The heck's the rat at? Kill the rat. Kill the rat. That's nuts. You gotta find, it's like Where's Waldo? Find the rat, kill the rat, because for some reason it makes the freaking cats immune. So remember that if you get to that part and you're wondering why the heck am I dying?
Well, so much for waiting this whole thing out.
Why
Starting
do
to get
we
harder.
have to deal with this? Who made all these freaking zombies?
Attention evacuees. This is Dr. Katsunate. Please relocate to the old logging mill. I will be there to help.
Dr. K?
Dr. K?
He's gotta be up to something. Dr. K doesn't have the heart to help anybody.
I thought we got him arrested. Why isn't he in a cell?
It's a cute game. I
Tries
like
anything
it.
again, I'll be sure to put him back in one.
It's
Guys,
cute.
we should probably rest. Long walk ahead of us. Let's get a shelter ready.
Okay, so we're defending that. Machine guns. Machine gun. Machine gun. I might be in trouble with these if rats show up though. I don't know. I don't think anything is going to help us. So snipers probably wouldn't help us because they probably just shoot whatever's closest. They're not going to go specifically get that out of there. I think that is something I have to like specifically do. This looks like it'd be a good fourth spot for one of those. Upgrade. We'll hold on to the rest of the money. Oh, I gotta heal that. And that's how you do it. It's a neat game. Level 2, level 2, and that's all we can do. Set them out at least. And that's how we do. Yeah, the other recommendation is if you get this game is turn your mouse sensitivity down on your computer. Maybe that would help some. I don't know why it's so high. Sweet, we got level 3. I gotta find a rat. This might be trouble. Yeah, my machine gun's got this down. And I'm about to turn another one to level 3. That was wave 4. Oh, we're moving.
Alright guys, let's get going.
Man, why do we even go to his lab anyway?
It was for school, remember? He invited 3 students to have a personal tour of his futuristic science lab.
It was a tour until he trapped us and experimented on us. He zapped us with that machine like 1,000,000 times.
Ugh, I still have nightmares about that. It was like torture.
Glad we managed to escape. Who knows what would have happened if we didn't?
They'd be zombie cats.
Is he?
He's forcing those people to work for him?
Quickly, quickly! If you don't pull your weight, I won't hesitate to turn you into a zombie. Schnell!
Get up some turrets. We're taking him down.
I wonder if this is the last bit. Okay, there's a barn up there. Parking lot over here. Most likely they're not going to really come from the parking lot, I don't think, but... Machine gun. Let's stick with the machine gun strat. Oh, that's it. Oh, there's rats. Maybe they're not bugged out, I don't know. Oh no, they are. There's a rat at. There it is. Oh, they're hitting the base. Get out of here. Is everything okay? Did I lose one? I lost the turret, didn't I? Freaking rats, man. Maybe we shouldn't level anything up. Maybe we should just have multiple things. Cannons? Let's put a cannon down, yeah. Yeah, a couple cannons. Oh, there's a rat somewhere. See cannons. Cannons shot through the guys to get the rats, so they worked out. Kobe!
Wrong.
Oh, I missed. How can I not hit that guy? Come on now.
You.
Okay, so don't shoot it that high. Just a little bit over his head, maybe.
I already counted to 3.
There we go. Sometimes they get stuck on stuff. Okay, so let's put a can. Get out of here. Let's put a cannon. Why is it so hard for you to walk? Oh, I can rotate the thing. Okay, somebody else walk over here. Actually, rather you be more inward. Just freaking move. There we go. I can't afford any more cannons. Okay. I did all that work for nothing. Okay.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
Yeah, get rid of the rats. Where are the rats at? There's a rat. There's a rat. Although I lost a lot of stuff. Lost a lot of stuff. Another cannon. Cannons are expensive. This is gonna be questionable.
Go long.
Okay, there's a rat somewhere.
And you.
Where's the rat? There it is. Okay.
I already counted to 3.
Well.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
Oh great, something's stuck somewhere.
Alley-oop. I already counted to 3.
Well.
Alley-oop.
Oh no.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
I have no idea where that last guy is. Oh goodness.
I already counted to 3. Hey, catch.
Oh no. I should probably keep track of where I'm throwing these nades.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
This thing's gonna be good.
catch.
Missing a guy. Don't know where we're missing a guy.
I already counted to 3. Alley-oop.
Where could I be missing the guy? It's gotta be in the cars somewhere.
Alley-oop.
Right? Grenades might be the only thing I can get him.
Go long.
We can heal that.
I already counted to 3. Alley-oop. Alley-oop. Alley-oop.
Where could it be? Where did the kitties come from?
I already counted to 3.
Where did the zombie kitties come from?
Alley-oop.
This is not good. Crappy game.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
I mean, I think a random grenade could do it.
I already counted to 3.
I'd have to hit wherever the random person is. Or people.
I already counted to 3.
Might be more than one.
Hey, catch. I already counted to 3.
Confused in my mind. Don't know where the last kitty is, and I feel like we're at the end of the game.
Alley-oop.
Didn't even hear that one explode.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
I feel like it's in the cars. If it's not, I have no idea.
Whoops. I pulled the pin.
Definitely giving it my best attempt.
Alley-oop.
I don't see that bar moving at all.
Hey, catch. Go long.
What the heck?
Go long.
Where is it, guys?
Go long.
Well, guys, I tried my best. I wanted to show off the whole game. There's no real buttons to do anything other than quit. It's gonna start me from the beginning again. No. No. Skip that. Skip that. Oh no.
Hey, I'm working. What's up?
Hey, you and Puck want to come over tonight? Or maybe visit me at work?
Sure. I may get out early today since I haven't had any customers.
Well,
Yeah, me either. There has to be some sort of epidemic.
that's destroying me, guys. Alright, guys. I think that's enough zombie kitties. I don't know if that was worth it or not. I mean, honestly, it was okay game, but it has some big glitches in it. We took it to almost the end, I think. Would have liked to know what happened at the end, but you do what you can. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Free to Play Fridays, and hopefully we find something better next week, because that was a bit disappointing. Alright, see you guys.